Hi guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we will be opening the Mega Greninja pack. Greninja box, I should say. So with this big thing, which is good. I like this a lot. And then we get the smaller Greninja card. It's actually not that bad. That's just like the cool art, like honestly. And then we also get this as well as a Greninja sticker, which honestly is really cool. I already have one of these, so. And now we have 8 packs of the Chaos Rising. 8 solo packs of the Chaos Rising. So hopefully we actually hit a pull today, or at least maybe hopefully it got packed, obviously, but who knows. Is it Wimpod, Chespin, Patrat, sorry, Trubin, Ninetales, Ferrothorn, Deoxys, Trubin again, Minchi, and Crobat. Not off to a good start. It's okay though. That is the Carbonine, Myreep, what is it? Yeah, Watchhog, Zubat, Avalok, Sudowoodo. Is that trainer card, the Roxy's Performance. Zubat again. Nitro Fire Energy. Oh, Mega Prior EX. Honestly, not too bad. Yes. First hit of the video so far. So far, so good with the Prior EX. Hopefully, we get much more of these. Illustration, I think that's an illustration rare, but I could be wrong. Oh shoot, I forgot a pack. Oopsies. What is this? It's a Wimpod again. Starting off with Wimpod, Pumpkaboo, a Zubat, Weedle, Sudowoodo. Oh, I know this one. A Delibird. Deoxys again. Is that Scripple. AZ's Tranquility, supporter card, and a Chestnut. Well, dang. Honestly, not too bad of a start. What is this? Amara, Bunnelby. I think this is pack 4, I believe. Yeah, pack 4. Hippopotas. Sorry. Dartrix. Drapion. Trainer Luminosity. Aromatis, Seal, Detonate, and an illustration rare, Luminosity. Not too shabby. We love it. Obviously, I don't know because I'm not that big. This is pack. This is 5 of 8 that we have. Starting with Spin Arc, Spiritsy. Oh, that's Double Blade. Hanalucha. Diggersby. Another trainer card, that is Judge. Volcanion, that's weird to see Volcanion. Fletchling. Oh, Ariados. And Oros. Where did I put the other one? Did I not pick him up? Oh, he's on the bottom. Oh, there's a greninja card. Okay. Pack 6 of 8. Kakuna, Remoraid, Patrat, Vulpix, Sudowoodo. Dang, we got a lot of Sudowoodos. Skunk Tank, Deoxys, Esper, Golbat, and a bubbly energy card. Dang it. Seven of 8. So we got Litleo, Baltoy, Froakie, Metang, Deoxys again. This is Angie Float, a trainer card. Metagross, I can see it. Remoraid again. Another Prisman Tower. And Trevenant. There's 2 cards dropped. Last pack Magic, hopefully. Phantom, Froakie, Skunky, Quilladin, Metagross again, Trainer, Roxy's Performance again, Golisopod, Skirl, Baltoy, Xerneas, please. Oh, that was the last one. Oh, damn. Well, we did bad today. These are the 2 hits that we got today. So, unfortunately, hopefully we will come back tomorrow or whenever I do another video, and hopefully we get better results.